Hello traders, come back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to trade on support and resistance zone, that is SNR zone. I'm going to place put option here. Place put option here because you see so many reversal zone. Okay, support, resistance. So now market is now at the level, so I'm expecting sellers coming. Okay, this will be a late entry. Okay, the purchase time have expired, so I'll wait for the next candle. I'm going to place put option because of the reversal zone I draw earlier. Okay, so here we see that market is reversing. So these are support level, support, resistance. Now market is now at the resistance, at the level, at the reversal zone with a reversal sign, a weak bullish candle. So I expect sellers entry. That is why I go with sellers on the next candle. I'm going to place call option. I place call option here because of reversal on the left side, reversal here, reversal. So now the market is at the zone. I'm expecting a bullish candle. That is why I go with buyers. I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because because of reversal zone, reversal. Now market is at the zone. I'm expecting a bearish candle. The network is still troubling me. Okay, I think that was it. Network failure. I'm gonna pause the video to see what I can do about the network failure. I'm gonna stay here until the network come back. So we are going to spend like 1 hour. Let us spend 1 hour. And I want to take 9 trades, but because of the poor network now, I think I should just take one more trade and leave. Because when you have something that is delaying you or stopping you from taking good trades, it makes you to lose trade. Okay, I think now the network is bad. It's back. Okay, I think there's a news going um, on USD. So okay, go to place put option because I can see so many reversal happening on the left side. Despite the strong bullish momentum, I still expect the market to reverse. Market reverse here, market reverse, market reverse, market reverse. The candle now close inside the level, so I'm expecting sellers candle despite the bullish momentum. So let's see if we're going to win this trade or not. I think I'm going to lose this trade. So let me take one more trade. The market did not reverse, instead it changed direction, it changed entries, the price change entries. So I think this time sellers should enter to late entry. Okay, I expect sellers to enter because so many reversal occur here. The first reversal zone, the market did not reverse, so I lost the trade. Now the second reversal zone, I think I should expect market to reverse this time. Could the place put option? I place put option because of this reversal zone. Reverse, 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 reverse. Now the market close got the rejection at the reversal zone and the candle gap to the reversal zone. That is why I'm expecting sellers entry. Already we have a strong sellers movement. See the candle gap to this reversal zone. So I'm expecting sellers entry. This is counted as the reversal zone. So once the price come back to this zone, then I'll place my trade. This is also reversal zone, but the candle is very strong. I think there's no opportunity. So I want to see if the market will retrace back to that zone. Then I'll place my trade. Okay, only you how many pay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which pair is not available? AD card. Um, I think let me change this one to AD card. Okay, since the market is rising up this level, the market here is not good, so I can't draw a proper reversal zone. AD card. I can't still draw a proper reversal zone here, but I saw green, red pattern here. Okay, so which means once the price comes to this zone, I should expect the market to reverse. Though it didn't reverse here, so I'm expecting the price to reverse because of this green, red pattern. So, come on, there's no opportunity. Okay, if that's the case, let me do it this way. So once price retrace back to this zone, I will place my trade. But for the meantime, there's no opportunity. There's no opportunity. So I'm going to wait in the next 5 minutes to see if the market will come back to those three levels. So in the next 5 minutes, if the market did not come back, then I'll stop trading. I think I've seen another opportunity here. So any of these two areas, if the market come back, since the market is not coming back, it's not reversing. Let me take one more trade in this trade. I think very weak buyers, strong sellers movement. I think sellers should enter the market. Okay, the reason why I go with sellers here was because I saw a reversal here and very weak buyers, strong sellers movement with upper rejections. So that is why I go with buyers. That's why I go with sellers. Okay, so right now I will stop here. I'm having five, 7 ITM, 1 OTM. So trading on reversal zone, 7 ITM, 1 OTM. First trade, this is a reversal zone. So when you are trading reversal zone, have it in mind that not all the time the market will reach reversal zone and reverse. Market might seem to break the reversal zone, just like what happened to this trade here. There's a reversal zone here, but this candle did not reverse. The market did not reverse until finally continue to the next reversal zone. So you connect support and resistance to draw your reversal zone. So there are so many support and resistance here. Same thing here, many support and resistance, SNL level, same thing here, SNL level, here also, here also. Then also when you are trading support and resistance zone, always take note of opening price, where the market will open and where the market will close. If the market will open at any level, then you should know that this is where the market will open. If the market will definitely close, you should know that this is where this will be the next candle. What I mean is that if this is going to be a reversal zone, just like this, look at this. This is tiny reversal zone I draw, but this candle close here, next candle gap up and open there. So that is why I go with sellers. Most of the time, the market will just open beside this, the closing price of this green candle. So if the market does that, you can still go with buyers again. But this time, I'm only trading reversal zone. Even the market is going to reverse. That is why you see a gap up to the reversal zone. Okay, so that is how you trade reversal zone. Okay, guys, see you next in my next video. Have a nice day. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.